Hello everybody, how are you? Today is day 11 of our $1,000 challenge. If you are first time coming to my channel, please click subscribe button. I will really thankful to you. So today is day 11 of our challenge. This is called $1,000 per month challenge. I will be showing you my result from ground zero. Let's check our result of day 11 whether we got any sale. Let's open my home business academy. We have to click here, click this home business academy, then click the member login. This is member login. You have to click affiliate zone, then click Samcard affiliate login. This is Samcard affiliate dashboard and see if we get any sale. Okay, finally we get another sale of $20. So guys, today is day 11 of our $1,000 challenge and we have already generated two sales from this method, from this business and my traffic source. So this is a legitimate business and you will and you can make sales from this system. But the main purpose of this system is that the main purpose of this system is to be patient and invest some money in initial phases. Yes, patience is the key for any business, whether it's online or offline. And if you have patience, I will definitely say that you will succeed in getting your target, whichever target you have in your mind. In my this case study, I have taken a challenge of $1,000 per month. Since, as you know, I'm also a 9 to 5 job. I also do my 9 to 5 job, and after coming back to my home, I invest almost 30 to 45 minutes in my online business, and my target is $1,000 passive income. So my target, I have already taken my target, and I'm sure I will achieve this target within, I will say, I have taken, I will plan of 3 to 4 months. I might get $1,000 per month. Let's see, is it possible in within 3 to 4 months or not. So let's come to our product which we are promoting, which is $25 all-in-one digital business. Digital business means online business. And what is this $25 all-in-one business? This is a sorry, this is a funnel builder which provide you everything you want to succeed in digital, or I will say online business. The first initial phase, you have to invest some amount in websites and in traffic. So there are a lot of funnel builder available in the markets. Some are very expensive and some are very cheap. This is There are leading brands like ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Builderrain, etc., which will cost you almost $60 to $300, up to $300 per month. But this funnel builder will give you same facilities that they are providing for just $25. Since I'm not a technical guy and I don't make any website, I'm here as an affiliate marketer to promote these products. So my first job is you to is to tell you why I'm promoting this product. First of all, the main purpose is that you will enjoy unlimited residual income for life. What that mean? That mean if any person purchases this business, this digital business, this funnel builder from your link, sorry, you will get $20 per month. And if you continue stay in this business for 6 months, 8 months, 11 months, 2 years, 3 years, every month you will get $20. So this is called residual income for life. That you have to work only one time, and up to whole life you will get that commission if he is in this business. So why I am promoting this business? There are a lot of funnel builders available which will give you almost 50 to 60% of commission per sale. But that only then that why I am promoting this, it's not that they are giving me 80% commission of every sale for life. No, no. Yes, you will get 80% of commission after one, whenever the customer purchase, but they will also give you same percentage commission if you continue to be in this business, maybe in 6 maybe for 6 months, 12 months, 3 years and 4 months. This company will provide give you 80% commission every time he recharge his business. But in other funnel builders, they will, in starting they will give you 40 to 60%, and after that they will give you 15, 18, 25%, 30% maximum. So my purpose is to get best commission from the best company. Why I'm saying that this is the best company to promote? This company have already pay out $2 million in commission to people just like me, just like you who are seeing this video. $2 million. So guys, this is totally legit company. You can trust this company, and you can promote this $25 all-in-one business. I'm sure if you promote this, you will get the results which you are wanted. So when when you come to this site, you just click $25 business. In checkout, please put your name, address, phone number, billing address, and payment method which you are getting. They are also providing you bonus which is 100% free, but it is for only 2 weeks. What is this bonus? I will show you. This bonus is Home Business Academy Premium Traffic and Conversion. What that mean? That means they will teach you how to drive traffic from free method as well as from paid methods. Free method they will teach you from Facebook, YouTube methods. From in paid method they will teach you from Facebook ads, solo ads, that type. Starting they will give you 2 weeks 100% free. You can see, you can see if you like that Home Business Academy Premium or not. After that they will charge you $125 per month, but that is, I will say, gold. Why? Because they will teach you in depth how to promote this product in social media or in paid traffic. So it's up to you If you want to test, you can click yes, I want free access. Then this HBA premium traffic and conversion will start. And yeah, you but initial they will just charge you $25 which you have purchased funnel builder. After 2 weeks they will charge you $125 also. And yes, give me instant access. Now this traffic source is brilliant and it is highly converted. You can
What's going on? My name is Richard Harris.
You can watch these videos. They are the leaders. And my main motto is to promote this product. And now you can also, I will show you their Facebook group. This is Home Business Academy Facebook group. You can join this Facebook group only after you purchase all in $125 business dollar. You can see it, they have already 4.1k members. That's huge. And these are the look at that. Today Donald Lanning, today is big day for me. After 1 month with new affiliate program, I've effectively achieved my biggest day with affiliate marketing. Total commission $180 from 1 day only. That's it. And look at that, the comment of other people also. And look at that. This is Sharon Wright. My HBA family, I am so excited, humble, and honored to be the part of such an amazing. Thank God I made my first sale today. Look, Sharon White also made his first sale today. This is the comments. This is also, look at that. Steve Dawson, I got sales. They are multiplying and I am losing control. Cause the power you are supplying. Look at that. Total commission almost $5,200. Look at that. People are here and they are generating lot of money, huge money. Look at that. This is Brand Fairduke. Second sale just landed. I am now in profit with amazing. Already in profit from just second sale. So guys, this is a wonderful business platform. You can trust this platform and you can join this and you will not regret in future. I will tell you that. So now, which traffic source I am using? Since sorry, and sorry, there are many traffic sources.
In my first 3 days, I had 2 sales.
There are many traffic sources available in the market, as I have already told you in my previous videos, like Google ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads, push ads, native ads. All are brilliant. I will say they are all are brilliant. But why I am not promoting it? Because they are too much expensive on initial days. It's not possible to use these type of traffic, because for example in Google ads, or you can say native ad, they will charge you all for just experimenting. You have to invest almost $400 to $800 or might $1,000 also. Yes, they are good traffic source, but they will charge you very heavy price. That's why I'm not, my initial say is that I'm not in position to invest in that money. My main motto of This business is to generate some passive income, since, as you know, you and me are like same. I'm also do my 9 to 5 job, and I'm looking after passive incomes to help my family to give some bills of my you can say my telephone bills, my broadband bill, my mobile bills, etc. So the traffic source I'm using is called My Lead Gen Secret. This is their affiliate page. Why I'm promoting this My Lead Gen Secret? As you have already know, this is cheap traffic. This is basically email marketing, as they will provide you 100 leads every day. 100 leads, US based 95% lead, just costing $1 per day. Initially, when you join this business, you have to pay $60, $30 one time setup fee, and $30 per month. So I will say you, in this way you will get 3,000 business oriented leads for just $30. 3,000. If you purchase, I will say 300 to 500 clicks from any solo vendors, they will easily charge you $400 to $500 for that leads. But this, they are charging just $30 for 3,000 leads. And moreover, as I show you my result, I'm only investing in this program traffic source, and I have already get 2 sales. So in my if I look at in my way, it's the best traffic source, initial traffic source which I can invest. Whenever I achieve my $1,000 per month, then after I can look after more good traffics. But initial time I'm investing in this traffic source only. What is this My Lead Gen? This is the website, and I will show you my login. This is my login. This is the back office of My Lead Gen Secret. Yesterday I sent 51,500 leads, 3,000 open, 131 clicks, 6 open, 8 40. I have 5 accounts, and every account have almost 50k plus leads. That means I have 2,500,000 leads, and these 5 accounts charging me just $150 per month. So it's a very, very cheap source, and I'm getting results also. As I have already told you in my last video, that I have generated almost $900 from other ClickBank products with this lead source only. So I really trust this lead source, and you can also join. Initially you can invest in 1 or 2 accounts. When your results get started, you can invest in more accounts. So how it's go, you just to click mail system, select all. Today I will be sending 51,700 clicks, email list. This is my saved email. You can click anyone. You have to just load this. and this is already done. I have to wait another almost 2 hours before I send another email. So guys, this is best traffic source. As you know, email marketing is best traffic source, and in this system you don't have to buy any other autoresponder also. All the email will be sent to your system, and you just have to write subject and email and just send it. It's a cheap and very effective. I will just show you my leads. Today is 25th. Look at that first name, last name. These are the person's real names. This is not just a fake name. This is a real name, real address. They are also giving you IP address, city, the city they live, states, postal address, and moreover country. Look at that: United States, United Kingdom, United States, United States. Almost 95 to 98% are United States. I really trust this system, and if you trust me, you can start from this system, and you will really thank me after you start, after you are getting the